Hello everyone, I am Joven Rego.
And I am Moses Param. We are the students of St. Xavier's High Secondary of Mapsa.
We are in 11th standard and now we are presenting you the solution to the global crisis caused by greenhouse gases. Decreasing carbon emissions is our goal as it is a major contribution in greenhouse gas which affects the environment very badly. And as we know, so far it has led to numerous threats like ozone depletion, climate change, global warming, and glacier meltdowns, which has happened recently and will make survival on Earth hard. After taking all into consideration, what is indeed the best? So let's start small. The online meetings which has been proved so efficient in this pandemic, after taking all into consideration, what is indeed the best? This helps reduce carbon monoxide and other pollutants in the environment which are threats as they can cause ozone depletion and other greenhouse effects. Now, instead of this long distance travel for meetings and for work, it should be shifted online and it can be very convenient and also save the environment. Another point is aviation fuel causes loads of pollution, thus increasing carbon footprint in the atmosphere. Solution for this aviation fuel is biofuel to run aeroplanes. It is made of jatropha, algae and waste oils. These are simple things found in the environment but can help change in a major way as it can reduce 50 to 80% of carbon emissions. Use of public transport. It is a very simple concept but it is critically important to the correct step in future. If this is successfully implemented by the government, then the threat of climate change will be non-existent. This is a huge step towards sustainability. Imagine the amount of fuel saved if this happens. Now the topic of smart cities is pretty exciting because this has many ideas like integrated composting where all the waste can be composted in one area and the city being self-sufficient by consuming its local goods and vehicles running on electricity. These ideas are very ideal while investment in these sectors by companies like Toshiba or Hitachi or even homegrown Indian companies should be encouraged. Eco-friendly cars are being constantly manufactured and it has to be promoted while vehicles running on fossil fuels should be completely banned for the greater good in the future. If our next generations need to survive, then these steps have to be taken now. It might seem simple, but it is a huge step and it is not in our powers. Petroleum pumps should be replaced by electrical stops to recharge batteries. Even solar cars has been a successful innovation. Now, composting. It is an ideal solution for every individual to save this environment. The only way to make this beneficial concept happen is by making it a compulsion among people. Composting is the ideal solution for an individual to save the environment. Now, the only way to make this beneficial concept happen is by making it a compulsion among people. This idea has been circulating around for a long time, but it has not been strictly followed. For the future good, this should be made a compulsion. In composting, the greenhouse gases gets absorbed in the soil and thus enriches it. This benefit becomes a win-win situation. And now I'll hand over the rest to my partner Moses.
Sustainable development. Even though this concept is old, it has great potential to save this world from the current threats like global warming and ozone hole. In this way, the environmental, economical and social needs are met. Buying local products contributes in reducing the carbon footprints. It takes huge amount of monetary resources to transport goods from other states and countries. Whereas for the local goods, the cost of these unnecessary monetary resources are decreased and it is more feasible. And the local goods contribute to the economy of the country, as shown in the second picture, which is of an foot-over bridge from Assam, which is made out of bamboos. By taking note of this idea, there are so many things which could be replaced by bamboos and other stuffs, which will reduce the cost of manufacturing of the metals and transports. These are some of the non-conventional sources of energy, which are criminally altered, such as wave energy, which is a green energy and friendly to the environment Producing power from the waves creates no gas, waste, pollution, or any harmful byproducts. Geothermal energy. It's environmentally friendly and is a renewable source of energy with a huge potential. And the most important part is it does not even require the fuel. And at the last, the solar energy. Its panels must be made as thin as possible to reduce its cost. This should be widely implemented in the development of smart city as it reduces the electricity bill and its maintenance cost is low. So this was our project on reducing the carbon footprints in the atmosphere. Thank you for watching.